Looks like love. Looks like, oh my god. Looks delicious. Hola amigos, I'm Julius Exclusive. If you don't know me, I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience. The last 5 years doing plant-based cooking. Yes, plant-based. Can you imagine? So, and I've been enjoying it ever since. So, today's video is basically for make one udon. It's easy, you're gonna love it. But before I'm going to appreciate if you subscribe or hit like this video. And actually you can do at the end of this video. Don't forget, and let's make a deal if you really like it. Also, the recipe is gonna be, you know what to do. And let's play. So amigos, basically what we're gonna do is something easy. I have right here one, what is this? Oh, it's Tempeh. Oh my god, I didn't know. Nah, amigos, I'm kidding. So I have right here one Tempeh. Come on, Tempeh. Come on, don't be shy. Come on here. Wow. Yes, I'm gonna use a little bit, but this is completely optional. You can use tempeh or tofu, or simple, you can avoid them. But let's make it a little more delicious. So I'm going to marinate this tempeh, or you can use another kind of protein. Also, you can use only, you can marinate your mushroom. I'll use mushroom also. So amigos, then I'm gonna slide my tempeh in, a couple of slices. Wow, look at this beauty. Beautiful. So amigos, right now I'm gonna marinate my tempeh with soy sauce or tamari, you know. 1 table, 2 tables of soy sauce. I'm gonna do the same with dry white vinegar, but you can use white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I have no options. Yes, I have no options right here. That's why I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar. I'm working with what I have right now. Yes, it's not a big deal. Amigos, and 1 teaspoon of something like a teaspoon of maple syrup or agave. So I'm gonna leave aside while I'm preparing the rest of the ingredients. So amigos, I'm gonna prepare my udon. While the water is boiling, it's a good time. Oh my god, this is the deal. Where should I cook my udons? On this pan or the other one? Gray or black color? That's a good question, but it's not a big deal. Actually, on this one. So amigos, well, it's boiling my water, so right now it's time to cut your onions. Something that I already have the onions cut, but I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons of white onions. Yes, white onions. So amigos, hot saucepan, a little 1 table or 2 tables, something between 1 to 2 tables of sesame oil. Right now I'm using toasted sesame oil. Okay, wait, be patient. So once it's hot, add 2 tablespoons of onions. Yes, yep. Just move it. Just cook it. Nice. So, amigos, once it's got your onion, it's time to add your garlic. Yes, just add it. Na, 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 na. So, amigos, once you add your garlic, something like a minute, less than a minute, be careful, don't burn it. Add your mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom. Seasoning, salt, pepper. So amigos, once you cook your mushroom something like between 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to add it some mirin sauce. I'm gonna add it 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of umami flavor soy sauce or oh no. Wanna see it closer? Wanna see it close? Can you see it? Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, look at this flavor. This color is amazing. So amigos, the fun part is time to add our vegetable broth. Yes, also if you don't have vegetable broth, use a little water. So amigos, for the vegetable broth, I'm using something between 1 cup to 1 cup and a half, and the mushroom is the same. I'm using almost the same amount, but all the time it's optional. You can add it the same, a little bit more extra, you know. Right now I'm gonna add it a little extra protein with the tempeh that is marinated. I'm waiting a little bit, and also I'm gonna add 1 bok choy. Yes, 1 piece of bok choy. And then amigos, right now it's time to cook our udon. Yes, cook your udon. Right now it's got my water. So amigos, if you notice, while I'm cooking my mushroom with the vegetable broth, I'm cooking aside my udons, but you can cook all together. Actually, this is just for plating. For plating, just I'm gonna add on the bottom my udon noodles, and after that my vegetable broth with mushroom. Yes, yeah, but it's optional. I mean, you can do that or also the other one. It's optional. Amigos, just I'm waiting for my udons. So, amigos, right now, this ready my udon. Look at this beauty. Oh no. It's so hot. This water is too hot. Oh my god. Just be careful. So amigos, this is optional. In another saucepan, a little bit of sesame oil. And okay, wait until this is hot. Okay, right now I have my vegetable broth right here, ready to eat. My noodles and I'm gonna fry it just a little bit. Also my bok choy, just a little bit. So then amigos, fry your tempeh. Actually it's not frying, just cooking your tempeh. So amigos, just give a little extra color to your tempeh and your bok choy. Just watch out, try to don't burn it. Okay, this looks like it's going to burn it. It's gonna be burned, but it won't. Right now, it won't. So amigos, the time is now. It's time to plate it. So one bowl or one plate. Actually bowl, no plate, because we're going dump or broth. Oh my god, it's still cooking. It's good, it's good. Right now it's good. It's good over there. Everything is good. So my noodles. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. And amigos, who doesn't love the mushrooms? Amigos, any kind of mushroom you can use. Any kind of mushroom you can use. Try use more vegetable broth. Maybe yes, maybe no yes. Maybe yes, maybe no yes. Amigos, I'm done. I hope you get this idea. I hope you get this udon idea. Amigos, I'm done. If you really find something on this video that you really like it or you learned something from me, please give me one thumb up. I really appreciate if you're doing this. And this is how I make one udon. If you notice, I'm using just bok choy, tempeh, and mushroom, and my vegetable broth, and soy sauce, and garlic, and onions, and udon, and a lot. But those are delicious. Everything together, you should try it. You're gonna love the recipe. It's going to be, you know where. But the most important, just when you're gonna make it with love or share with someone else. Otherwise, you don't need it. You don't need to eat it by yourself. Share something of love. And this udon looks like love. Looks like love. Looks like, oh my god. So thank you so much, amigos. I really appreciate you still to this part of the video. See you soon. Peace and love. Love to your delicioso udon. Luce delicioso. I'm gonna take a picture. Let's see if they can see it better. Looks delicious.